I'm going to look at, what is this? We know that this stick means
10.
10. That's right, 10. It's a 10 stick. Okay, so how many ones are in my 10 stick?
10.
Very good. 10 ones in my 10 stick, right? Because if I break this apart, 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good.
11.
So there are 10 ones in my 10 stick, right?
Yep.
Very good. Okay, what happens if I add 10? How many would I have? Sit on your pockets, please. So if I have my 10 stick and I add another 10 stick, that is how many 10 sticks?
20.
There are 20 ones, that's right. And how many sticks? Look, Gracie. How many sticks? 2 sticks, right. And there are 20 ones. Very good. Okay, so now look, I have 20. Look, hands off.
20.
I have 20. What would I have if I take away 1? If I minus 1? Tricky.
10.
So let's
10.
look. If I take away just 1 square, what's 20 minus 1?
21.
That's 20 plus 1. What's 20 minus
19.
1? Very good, 19. So we can 20 minus 1. Take away 1.
19.
That's right. Okay, so that's what I have right here, 19. And then if I add 1 back to my 19, if I add 1 back to my 19, how many do I have? So I just did 19 plus 1.
You added.
I did 19 plus 1.
20.
20, because these are both 10 sticks, right?
Yeah.
Good. So write 19 plus 1 equals what?
20.
20. Very good. Okay, now we're going to start our game. I'm going to roll first, and I'm going to start at 1. So we will all start at 1. I'm going to roll minus 10. So 1 minus 10, is that going to work? No, so I'm just going to roll again. 1 plus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or, can you just think of what is 1 plus 10 in your head? Can you think of that in
11.
your head?
11.
Very good. It's 11. So my number sentence will be 1 plus 10 equals 11.
1.
All right. Okay, Aisha, now come over here and it's your turn.
1 minus.
1 minus 1. So can we do 1 minus 1? No. So let's roll one more time. Roll again. 1 plus 1. What is 1 plus 1?
2.
So move your marker.
to 2.
I'll move it for you. There we go. So 1 plus 1 is
2.
2.
That's easy.
Good. Now show me with your sticks.
Okay.
Very good. 2. So I have 11 right now. So I'm going to add just 1 to my 10 stick. So I have 11 and Aisha has 2. All right, now Drew, it's your turn to roll.
Okay.
1 plus 1 is what?
2.
2. So you'll you'll be at 2 with Aisha. Show me 2 with your cubes.
I got 2.
You have 2 already?
Break.
All right. Now it's your turn to roll, Gracie. Uh-oh. You can pick it up. -1. So can we do 1 minus 1?
No.
No.
No. That equals 0.
1 plus, what is that?
10.
10. So move your marker 1 plus 10.
We're missing.
Actually, let's do this. Show me on your cubes first. Can you show me on your cubes first?
It's 1 plus 10.
1 plus 10.
Equals 11.
How did you know how to do that?
Because I already saw this 10. I knew that this 10 stick was already like 9. Already
Very
9.
good.
And I knew that this was just a 10 stick and 9.
You knew that that was already a 10 stick, so she just grabbed her 10 stick and added her 1. Very good. All right, Aisha, your turn to roll.
Again.
So in front of you, I should see how many you have.
How many?
So Drew has 2.
Minus.
How many do you have? You should
10
have
minus.
11, right, Gracie?
Yeah. 10 minus. Oh, that doesn't hurt. Oh, that doesn't hurt.
So you were at 2. So can we minus 10? Can we subtract 10 from 2? No. So let's roll again. Plus 10. Can you add 10 to 2? All right. Show me on your... So right now you have 2.
What? Oh, I can use that. 10 plus 1?
Show me 2 plus 10 on your cubes.
2. Okay. 10. Okay.
Very good. So I heard Aisha say, oh, I can use that. She was talking about her 10 stick and her 2. She already had those put together. So
It
she
equals
just added
13.
10 plus 2.
It equals 13.
10 plus 2 is what? Let's look at our number.
12.
Aisha, can you put your marker, your little square? Oh, here it is.
I was silly.
12. Okay, Drew, your turn.
Oh, Drew, go.
All right. -1. So you're at 2, right?
Whoever goes to
So what is 2 minus 1?
is the
Can you show
winner?
me on your cubes first?
Yeah. Wait, what? Oh, okay. 1. Wait. 1. I already got 1.
2 minus 1.
Oh, man.
So here's your 2, right? You have your 2.
Got my 2.
So show me 2 minus 1.
It equals 3.
Remember, minus means what?
Equals
Take
3.
away. Minus. Take away. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Right. Gracie, Aisha, look at me. Look, I have 2 right here. Minus means what?
Take away.
Take away. So 2 minus 1. How many am I going to take away?
1.
1. How many do I have left?
1.
1. That is 2 minus 1 equals 1. Just 1. Okay, so now Drew's back at 1.
Oh.
Oh, man. Okay, Gracie, your turn.
Whoever gets to 120 is the winner.
Yeah.
I know.
What do you have? Plus 10. So where are you? What color are you?
Coin on the red.
You're red. So what is 11 plus 10?
10 equals.
Let's show me on your cubes first.
10. Wait. Plus 10? There we go.
Yes.
Plus 10. Plus
2 plus 10. So what is your answer?
12.
12. Very good. How did you know how to do that?
Because I got 2. I got 2. I got this one from here.
Very good. Okay.
There we go.
So Aisha, look at me.
Mm-hmm.
So this time, after you roll, I'm not going to say anything, but I'm going to let you teach me or Drew or Gracie how to do it, how you did it, okay? So you're going to roll, And you're going to find your answer and then tell me, Drew, or Gracie how you did it. You're going to teach me, okay, or Drew or Gracie. All right, so go ahead.
1 plus. So 1 plus 1, Miss Layne. So 1 plus 1 equals.
What color are you?
I'm yellow. So 1 plus 1 equals 2.
Well, you're not on 1. What number are you on?
12. 12 plus 2.
Plus.
1 plus 12 equals 13.
Very good. Now teach one of us how you did that.
I was so Miss Layne, I was thinking, and then I know, and I was thinking, and now I know 12 goes 12 is after 11, and 12 and 13.
Okay, so very good. You knew that 13 comes right after 12, and the number that comes right after 12 adds 1. So 12 plus 1 is 13. Very good. Can you show me on your cubes? So here's your 12. Show me 13.
Okay.
All right, Drew, your turn.
And one more. 13. Okay. 12. Ooh, 10.
Wow. So what number are you on?
1.
You're on 1. That's right.
12 plus.
So you go ahead. I'm not going to walk you through it. You do it, and then you can teach us.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. I love how Aisha is writing her number sentence every time.
Oops.
Just set that on the floor, honey. Okay. You did 1 plus. Let's count again. Make sure you have 1 plus 10. So let's start back here. Make sure you add 10.
1, 2.
You did it right. No.
4.
So you're 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. So that was adding 10. So what number are you at now?
11.
11. Good. So what strategy did you use?
I did.
Did you counted on, right? So the strategy you used was to count on from 1
I love that strategy.
all the way to 11. Very good.
I love that strategy.
That's a good strategy. Can you show me with your cubes?
Yeah.
And then you can write a number sentence. All right, Gracie, how about you roll?
Wait, do you know we're having early?
You should have only 1 cube, right? Because you're at 1. And then you're going to add 10. Okay, what number did you get?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Are you on 11? What color are you? 11. Okay. What color are you?
Red.
Red. Okay. So what is, you show me, you do it. 11 plus 1. Or was it minus 1?
Minus 1.
Okay, go ahead. Think about it in your head. Think about what would 11 minus 1 be when you're counting backwards. Remember our counting backwards song?
2.
Remember you're at 11 minus 1. So take away 1 from 11. Take away 1 from 11. How about you? Remember to use your cubes. That might help you. So you have 11. Make sure you have 11 there. So is that 11 right there in your hand?
5,
Okay. Then you're taking away 1, right? Minus 1. So take away 1. So count how many you have right now. Make sure that's 11 minus 1.
5, 2, 10.
Okay, so is that your answer? Is it 10? Okay, so show me on the board.
Teach one of us.
Good. How did you find out that 11 minus 1 is 10?
Teach one of us. Because
Yes, teach one of us.
I was counting the cubes and then I counted in my head and I knew this was 10 and I took 1 away.
Okay, so you counted back. Did you count backwards in your head? Okay, so Gracie counted backwards in her head. Very good. Okay, now show me your number sentence, Gracie. You had 11, what? Was it minus?
Minus 1.
Very good. 11 minus 1 equals 10. Okay, so let's put our caps on our markers. Was there anything that was tricky?
Yeah.
What was tricky for you, Aisha?
That 20 minus 1 equals 10.
Well, let's see. Does 20 minus 1 equal 10? Let's look at your number sentence.
20 minus 1.
Okay, 20 minus 1 is
10.
It's not 10. Here's 20. If I take away 1 from 20, I know this
could be 19.
Very good, 19.
Good.
Okay. Was anything tricky for you, Drew?
No.
No? Okay, good. Gracie, was there anything tricky for you? What was tricky for you?
11 minus 1.
Yes. So look, Drew and Aisha, I want you looking. 11 minus 1 was tricky for Gracie because, can we go this way?
No.
We can't go this way. So she had to go all the way back here and look at the row above to find her answer. So remember, Aisha, when you're on one of the ends, look, when you're on this side or this side, you might have to go back above to the row above or to the row below to find your answer. Okay, so let's look. What is 31? Put it down. What is 31 minus 1? 31 minus 1. We have to
14.
jump back. No, look. 31 minus 1. We have to jump back to the row above.
30.
30. That's right.
I said it.
Okay.
31.
Now look. Let's do 51. Oh, no, sorry. Let's do 70 plus 1. What is 70 plus 1, Gracie? Look.
Equals 71.
71. How did you know that?
Because 70 equals 1 equals 71.
70. How did you know?
70 plus 1 equals 71.
70 plus 1 equals 71.
Because.
So you just knew that in your head? Good. Okay, but if you're looking at the chart to help you, you would have to jump down to the next row to find your answer, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. So tell me, did using the manipulatives help you?
Yeah.
Using
Yeah.